You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today, let's look at the difference between inline crochet hooks and tapered crochet hooks and which are better. An inline crochet hook looks like this. The shaft is directly in line on the sides as the hook. A tapered crochet hook tapers on the shaft before the hook section. You can see here where it tapers. It's wider in this section and then it tapers here as it gets closer to the hook. So it's wide here and it tapers to the hook. An inline does not taper here. It's the same width all the way down, including the hook. Which hook is best for you? If you're a beginner, the inline works better because it helps you to keep your stitches looser. Whereas with the tapered, your stitches can stay in this area and they'll tighten up if you don't have loose tension with your yarn. And that's your quick tip for today. Inline crochet hook versus tapered crochet hooks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.